Good morning, everyone. This is Conscious Goddess. This is about 5:50 in the morning. I am on the lake watching the sunrise come up. As you can see, the sun is trying to peep through the clouds, and the sun is reflecting the water is reflecting the sun as it rises, as it's attempting to rise, excuse me. So I just want to get a glimpse of this before it actually rises. This is the beautiful nature that I'm always a part of, the lake that I always take pictures of, as you can see. It's still early in the morning, as I said before. There in the distance there, you can see some little ducks floating around. And there are some more ducks, and a little close-up of some more ducks. So they're getting their morning charge. They're revitalizing themselves, waking up from a nice long nap, I suppose. And of course, myself is, you can see, back here is usually, right over there, usually my spot where I kind of go and sit and put my feet in the water to charge up. Now I've come a little closer, I'm a little deeper in the water. So as you can see, my feet there, it's a little deep. Woo! What a nice video of my feet. But here I am recharging. Almost knee deep in the water. And some of the ducks are talking right now because the sun is about to come up. But this is beautiful, just beautiful nature. For those of you, I've said in my previous videos, get back to nature. Turn off your TVs. You know, what is your TV doing for you, really? It's just feeding you a bunch of lies that the Matrix wants you to know and to feed into. When you get back to nature, nature is your ancestors. The sun, the moon, the stars, the sky, nature, the sea, the water, the animals that you see here, that they teach you. They can reveal things to you that TV cannot. TV is not fruitful. It's not a fruitful thing. As I said in my previous videos, they call it television for a reason. Television. They tell lies to your vision. Okay? To what is your vision? Your imagination, your eyes, okay? They tell lies to your imagination. They make you think one thing is going on, and really there's another hidden agenda. So get back to nature, eat as healthy as possible, and reconnect with your higher being, your higher self. Okay? And these, good morning. Good morning, little duck. He's just like chilling, like eating some sardines or something. But they're chilling. They're like, ducks are like, all, you see this, right? Ducks are like all around me. Like, they're gathering up to feed on that sun. Right here, over here, some ducks around me. Might be some behind me. Until next time, the next video is going to be with the sun rising. Till next time, love and peace. Hello, everybody. This is Conscious Goddess. Continuation of my video. This is the sun rising. It's about 6 something in the morning here on the lake, and this is a quick video of the sun rising, as I promised you. This is so beautiful. So very beautiful. Yes. Look at that lake. Look at that water reflecting the rays of the sun as it rises, as it awakens a new day, as it says good morning. to all mankind, all nature, all life. This is so, so very beautiful. And as you can see here, the ducks are tuning in to get some of that. Look at that. Boom. Boom. They're going up into that. Going up into that sun. I love it. And they love it too. They have a natural instinct to know what to do. When the sun rises, when the sun sets, these ducks, as you can see right here, they know exactly what to do. It's just natural to them. They're early, they're early risers. They rise early, way before the sun actually rises. And then when the sun sets, they go and retreat for the evening. You can see some more ducks there in the distance. So there you have it. It is fresh in the morning. Catching a glimpse of the sunrise. And over here, the ducks have kind of gone over to the side here to kind of chill out and just do what they do, just be ducks. Behind me is the rocks, some of the park that I'm so very familiar with. As you can see. Boop. Back again to the sun. Sun has risen. He has risen. Some of y'all will get that. Some of y'all won't. The sun has risen. S-U-N, not the other sun. This is a beautiful morning. Beautiful time to be in nature. I'm still here getting my charge on, reconnecting with my ancestors here in nature. Get at me at risingconsciousness.tumblr.com or at Awakened Queen on Twitter. Till next time, everyone. Love and peace.